YouTube. So today I want to talk a little bit about Windows 11 and that if you are a CPU owner of AMD, you might want to wait before you try out Windows 11 because AMD CPUs is currently having problems with Windows 11, and even with the recent Windows 11 update, it actually made the latency worse. So if you haven't seen Windows 11, first we had this rumor that we would never see a new Windows, that Windows 10 was the last OS of Windows and that one would just get updates, but now it seems like they're back to the numbers game again. So yeah, struggles here, and the AMD chips that might specifically be having problems is the AMD Ryzen CPUs that can take 15% performance hit. And even Microsoft did recently just they sent out an update, but that it actually made the problems worse. So when Windows 11, when it came out first, you saw between 10 ns to 17 ns in latency, but now with this latest update it seems like it spiked to 32 ns. So yeah, just a quick little informative thing is there, that if you are having an AMD CPU, you may not, if you have an AMD CPU or AMD chip, you might want to hold on before you try out Windows 11. This kind of reminds me a little bit about Windows 7 and or not Windows 7, I mean Windows Vista, and the amount of problems it had with drivers when Windows Vista first got released in 2007, or if it was in 2006. I bought a brand new computer with Windows Vista, and it was like slow, glitchy, and you had so many driver problems. One thing also, I saw a video on how Windows 11 looked like, and I wasn't really that impressed because they don't have this in MacBook computers. You have a UI that's kind of synchronized, so it has the same kind of level of theme everywhere you go. But even in new Windows 11, you still have this old screen, this old settings screen with old UI. So they have not made a full UI overhaul on Windows 11. You can still find at so many places the old graphical user interface. So it seems like it's just a little bit of a lazy move there from Microsoft to not have a UI that is the same everywhere. So for example, you have two setting screens, one with the new UI and then one with still with the old UI. So that is a little bit random. But yeah, if you do have an AMD chip, you may not want to try out Windows 11 for now.